I know many people that's looking for a better circle of friends. So they say, how do I surround myself with good people? If you are one of those people that think like that, how do I get a better circle? This is the perfect video for you. Stay tuned. My name is Cyrus Ausar, and my mission is to embody the emotion of overcoming. I believe we all fight battles we hide from the world. My objective is to help you win those battles through perspective. Stay tuned. Have you ever wondered, how do I get a better circle? How do I surround myself with better people? Well, this is what you can do. I wouldn't necessarily say abandon your friends. I say step into the things that you want to do. If you want to be a basketball player or a musician or an artist or a trainer or whatever you want to be, step into it all the way. I mean, devote all your time to it. Basketball player, wake up early, get to the gym, do the work you need to do. Painter, get up, get your canvases, do what you want to do, and just dive into it, because this is what will happen. The friends that you used to spend a whole lot of time for that is not helping you proceed forward will start to drop off because that you're always occupied with something that you love to do, whether it's paint, draw, etc. And they will have a couple of choices. Either they'll start coming around and helping you with this, whether they want to get involved, whether they want to help sell your paintings, or whether they want to help grab the rebounds and pass you the ball during basketball, or whether they want to get trained by you if you want to become a trainer and exercise, or they want to eat healthy and you want to become a dietitian. They will get in line with the things that you want to do, and that's how you can prolong your friendship. They will also have something going on for themselves that you will get involved in with to some degree. And what this will do as you step into your craft is you will start seeking more and more information behind your craft. So let's just say you wanted to be a personal trainer. You're going to go to classes, you're going to go to seminars, you're going to go to workshops, you're going to go to these things to learn more about your craft. And what you're going to start seeing is the same people. So you're going to have like-minded conversations. And as you have like-minded conversations, the time that you once had for this person will be taken up by another person that identifies with the same things you identify with. We've seen this happen before, even with boyfriends or girlfriends or whatnot. You've seen your best friend get a boyfriend or a girlfriend. All of a sudden, they don't have no time for you. That same adjustment is going to happen, but you're going to walk into something that you love to do, or a profession, or something you just care about. You start walking in a direction fully. What happens is your circle starts shifting. You don't got to cut nobody off cold turkey. It's just, it starts shifting. So the things that you once cared about, that you partaked in with that person, you no longer care about because it doesn't align with the things that you want to do. So as I said, if you want to play basketball and you're getting up early and you going to the gym and you shooting 1,000 shots and you doing all that, and the person wants you to stay out all night, you can be like, I don't want to do that. I got to get up at 5 or 6 a.m. I got to work on my craft. Or somebody wants you to take a step away from painting or whatnot because they want you to go to a party. You can be like, I'd rather go to a wine and paint party where I can still paint and drink. And if you want to go to that, we can do it. But it's always going to be in alignment with the things that you like to do. And don't think that you're just saying, friends, I'm only going to spend time with you when I'm doing what I want. Don't think of it like that, because your friends will like doing the same things that you do. So if they don't like it and you continuously do it, what's going to happen is they're going to fade out and they're going to be replaced by other people. So you don't have to look at it as, I want to cut these people off, they're bad for my life, etc. Just look at it as internal. What can I do better for myself? And what will happen is people will come around you and you will get a new set of friends that way. So that's how you develop new sets of friends, or that's how you develop good people around you, by frankly being a good person and going in the direction of things that you love to do. Thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. Please like, share, subscribe, share it with somebody that you think can relate to it. If you like this hat, shirt, or whatnot, you can get it in the description box below. Also, reach out to me on social media, Instagram. I love to respond. It's also in the description box below. Thank you once again.